Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 4th of February 2021 and Thursday, and I would like to share with you today's my best forex trade analysis and the best result. Today we had amazing volatility and amazing trade. Let me share with you today's trading activities. Just to recap quickly guys, I use this platform for the live trading and the live intraday analysis alongside with my professional trader. If you would like to know how I trade using this platform, please watch that small introduction video in the video description. All right, so I analyze market twice a day, as always, just before London Open and the New York session. And you can see my recording of live analysis available here. And this is all of my analysis updates instantly. So based on today's analysis, you can see Traders Bank's 94 pips. You can see here, this is the breakdown. Some losing, some winning, but based on that, you can see all this intraday analysis bank 94 pips. All these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly. All right, so let's dig into this more few best analysis. You can see we had a Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. And again, we analyze the market in a high time frame. Let me share with you. If you look at in 4 hour, we had price nicely broke on this consolidation, as you can see here, and that's what we did intraday analysis. And bank beautiful pips you can see here on Kiwi dollar. Still price is going very down because this is the first target, nicely hit. And even if you look at right now, the price nicely hit. This was the breakout trade which we announced, as you can see here. 3 touch which we explained to trader, and beautiful, and you can see even price right now hit to the final target, which is the second fib channel. So this was a beautiful analysis. We had a Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. Again, pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback short trade in Aussie dollar. And then dollar CAD, we had another beautiful analysis. As you can see, beautiful wedge breakout, long trade. And then we did another analysis instantly. We had first analysis, this breakout, and then we did another analysis in Aussie dollar. That's why we basically analyze market as soon as the price develop another pattern. So we have another beautiful long trade on dollar yen. As you can see, the price was very nice, bullish momentum, and we explained to trader look for another pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback, beautiful long trade on dollar yen. We were short today whole day. We have this breakout early in the morning at the New York session. We have another breakout short trade. As long as the momentum is bearish, we will keep taking short trade on Euro USD and the Euro pound. We had such a nice beautiful breakout. That's after the basically as soon as we take a short trade, then we have a news release which basically make another beautiful very good short trade, breakout short trade on a Euro pound. Then we have another dollar Swiss franc. We had a breakout long trade, very good trade. And then we have another, because as you can see, that was the first trade, and afterwards at the New York session we did another analysis, look for another pullback. As you can see, we have another beautiful pullback. So we just keep an eye all the pairs. Any pattern, develop broadcast information instantly and discuss with all over traders. All right, so pound yen, pretty straightforward. After the news at the New York session, beautiful breakout long trade. And the pound Swiss franc, that was a beautiful pullback. And based on the momentum, beautiful pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, we banked beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc, so you can see it. All right, guys, that's it. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis detail. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with a 4-hour analysis with a live RD community support, actually you will be trading alongside with a professional trader. So even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training through this platform. And even if you are struggling, we also coach and train through this platform. Our objective is to train and help traders to develop trading skills with the live market, so at least they understand how it works. So that's basically also help psychologically, and that's why this is the platform to practice, which we're monitoring it. We're giving them feedback instantly. So all these pips are 100% based on this analysis and copied into the live account. So even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day. We also provide funding to the successful trader. For more information, My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free to book. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have NFP news. All right, let's see how the market is going to react. All the best, guys. See you tomorrow.